What is good, guys? Welcome back. We're back out in the Forester today, and we're going over 5 reasons why the Subaru Forester is so great for beach driving. So yeah, buckle up. Here we go. Reason number 1 is the Forester's symmetrical all-wheel drive system. This system is a bit different than most all-wheel drive systems, as when this all-wheel drive has to kick in, it actually distributes the power 50-50 from the front and the back. Most all-wheel drive systems will give most power to the front and a little bit in the back, but Foresters are superior and give you a 50-50 split of power. This ensures excellent traction on sandy terrain and enhances stability and control on the beach. And if you guys enjoy these videos as much as I like creating them, hook your boy up with a little like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Reason number 2. Reason number 2 is the Forester's weight. In the 4-wheel drive world, Foresters are extremely light. This allows the vehicles to float over the sand with ease. I can't tell you how many times I've floated by a big 4-wheel drive that's bogged down to the axle, and yeah, I get a bit of a funny look when they see me in my little vehicle just cruising along, no issues. So yeah, the weight of this vehicle is extremely helpful and helps you to stay out of sticky situations. Reason number 3. Alright, so reason number 3 is the Forester's ground clearance. Forester's generous ground clearance minimizes the risks of getting stuck and makes it easy to navigate uneven beach terrain. My Forester, which is an SG Forester, the 2nd generation, it boasts a whopping 205 millimeters or 8 inches of ground clearance. This is on par or better than the Honda CR-V, the Nissan X-Trail, and the RAV4. And with a simple 2-inch lift, which I do intend on installing very soon, that brings you to a whopping 255 millimeters of ground clearance, or 10 inches. This puts you on par, or even better, than the Jeep Grand Cherokee and the Jeep Wrangler. Gives you more ground clearance than the Nissan Pajero, the Toyota Prado, and even Land Cruisers, which is quite surprising. So the 2-inch lift, you can basically go anywhere. Reason number 4. So reason number 4 is actually the Subaru's engine. With a horizontally opposed boxer engine, the Forester boasts a low center of gravity, reducing the likelihood of tipping and actually enhancing stability on the sandy shores and dunes. Last but not least, reason number 5. So reason number 5 is the Subaru's fuel efficiency. The Forester's efficient engine and well-designed drivetrain help conserve fuel, allowing you to enjoy longer beach trips without worrying about refueling frequently. This is a big ease on the mind and big ease on the wallet. If you haven't driven on the beach before, you definitely consume more fuel than normal. So it's nice being in this little vehicle and knowing that you're not burning through fuel or burning a hole in your pocket. Thank you guys for coming along. I hope you guys learned something today. And if you did learn something, maybe hook your boy up with a little like, a little subscribe. Really helps out the channel, guys. And it's free to do. So yeah, hook your boy up. And until next time, guys, take it easy.